There are times in the life of a company where you can look to the future with a greater certainty, with the knowledge of having created a product that is totally new, one that breaks with the past. For Makor Group, today is one of those days, because we are proud to present a new model of paint spraying machine to the market and all our customers, marking a turning point in the panel industry. We have called it Excellent CM80. The Excellent CM80 is designed to be the solution for high-performance requests and requirements in the spray machine market. High performance both in terms of productivity, which means producing large-scale volumes with large quantities of paint to apply and manage, and in terms of the final quality of the article. The panel, whether for a kitchen, piece of furniture or any covering, must meet very high standards. This final point is of fundamental importance. There are panels, such as glossy or zero-gloss matte ones, where the slightest imperfection is instantly visible. It is therefore essential to ensure that the panel is perfect, i.e. that there is no contamination during the painting stage, and that this is also true in large-scale production as well. The Excellent CM80 guarantees all this, and it does it with a technological system designed and patented in-house by our engineers. A wider conveyor belt and no side bands in the paint booth are among its most significant new features. The application concept of the Excellent CM80 is the classic concept of two oscillating arms. Despite the widespread use of Cartesian or anthropomorphic robots, of which Makor is the leading producer, application with oscillating arms still occupies a consistent portion of the market due to the high efficiency of this historic painting method. As usual, when Makor develops a new machine model, it aims to maintain high standards of construction quality and reliability, while introducing new technical aspects compared to products from the same range on the market. We have done the same with Excellent CM80, by introducing new functions which allow the user to improve both the production performance in terms of volumes and quality, but also to make machine maintenance simpler and easier. The Excellent CM80 will therefore be our flagship product in the market of high-end painting, a market in which we are already a leader with a wide range of robots, and thanks also to the other machines which make up the painting lines. In this period of strong market recovery, we expect great satisfaction from this innovative product, which we will be introducing into our product portfolio. Lastly, I would like to end with a fun fact and reveal how we ended up choosing the name. We added the suffix CM80, i.e. Cecuzzi Mario 80, to the initial adjective excellent, the name and age of our founder, a recognition that the Makor technical team wanted to make to the person who created all this. His technical advice and the infectious enthusiasm with which he followed all the various stages of development contributed to the overall success of this project.